Hi flower friends, I'm Jennifer with the Flowering Farmhouse, and it's hard to believe that frost is looming on the horizon. In a matter of days, this field will turn from a gorgeous sea of color to a sea of brown as our flowers are kissed with the season-ending frost. That is why this year we are bringing you a mini course specifically focused on digging, dividing, and storing your dahlia tubers this winter. We have pre-recorded videos to help you successfully store your tubers, and that's not all. This is a crazy busy time of year for me, but I have carved out time for the next 3 Fridays where I will be going live in a private Facebook group that was designed just for course participants, where you will have an opportunity to ask me questions during our live Q&As. These will take place every Friday for the next 3 weeks at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and it is only available for course participants. Our course kicks off on Monday, October 23rd at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and each Monday for the next 3 weeks, you will receive a new module in our lessons. The first module is digging your dahlia tubers, the second one is washing and dividing your dahlia tubers, and the third lesson is storing your dahlia tubers. And finally, I have a special bonus for anyone who enrolls in our course. This year, I am offering course participants early access to our 2024 Dahlia Tuber Sale. That means you will get to shop our tubers before we open our tuber sale to the general public. So I hope you will join us. Head on over and sign up for our mini course, Digging, Dividing, and Storing Dahlia Tubers. I'll see you there.